Experienced travelers know the nervous wait at baggage claim. As you watch other suitcases pass by, you start to think, did my bag get left behind? Why a luggage tag matters. A simple luggage tag could be the key to reuniting you with your bag if it ever goes missing. But first, you need to know how to attach it properly. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of putting on a luggage tag. What is a luggage tag? So, what exactly is a luggage tag? It's a small accessory you attach to your bag that helps people contact you if it's lost. Unlike the barcode sticker that airlines put on your bag, this tag is readable by anyone. And they come in all styles, from simple plastic to sleek Italian leather. Do I need a luggage tag? Absolutely. It helps you trace your suitcase if it goes the wrong way. Those flimsy airline tags can tear or fall off during transit. And it's not just airports where bags go missing. Any transportation hub can be a black hole for luggage. What information to include? Just your name, email, and mobile number. You might be tempted to add your home address, but think twice. It could make your home an easy target while you're away. Instead, you can add your destination hotel address on a removable card. I'm not sure if you've heard about this, but there was a story where a guy took a woman's address from her luggage tag at the airport and then showed up at her house. Tips for extra protection. Pro tip. Take a photo of your suitcase and jot down its dimensions in case it gets lost. For extra security, some travelers slip an AirTag or GPS tracker into their luggage, making it easier to find. How to attach a luggage tag. Now, let's get to how to attach a luggage tag. First, insert the loop into the slot on your tag. Then, put one side through the other and pull it tight. Next, slide the loop under your bag handle, pull it over the tag, and insert it through the loop. Pull tight, and you're done. How to remove the tag. Need to remove the tag? Just loosen the loop, insert the tag through the hole, and slide it out. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. See you on your next adventure.